Introducing the Millennium Series in-ground waste system. Careful preparation and attention to these installation steps will ensure a trash can that functions as you intend. First, choose a site to install the trash can. Areas near parking lots, picnic shelters, and trailheads allow users easy access to the garbage container. Perform all underground service location checks, such as power, sewer, water, and gas, before excavating. Overhead, ensure there will be enough room, free from branches, power lines, and building overhangs, for safe installation of the system and removal of full trash bags. Upon receiving your trash can, unwrap it and check that you have all the needed parts. Store units upright to ensure they stay symmetrical and functioning properly. Dig a 5-foot 3-inch hole into the ground and place 2 to 3 inches of pea gravel to create a level base. Remove any sharp objects and rocks. Place the trash can into the hole, making sure it is rotated to open in the right direction. Put in the straps and platform. Then, insert the wooden brace with a rope. This helps to maintain the shape of the can. Carefully and evenly backfill with more pea gravel to help the container preserve its circular shape. Remember to remove the wooden brace after the backfill process is completed. Install the lifting harness by placing the strap hooks through the sides of the drilled holes. Install the bag liner, securing it firmly over the locking bracket. Finally, attach the lid, carefully matching the numbered parts to the tank. Revisit the site in a few days to ensure that the pea gravel or top dressing has settled properly. You may need to add more backfill material. Correctly installed, the in-ground waste system is now ready to use, ADA compliant and able to hold 300 gallons of trash. Sybertech Waste Reduction. Find us online today at swrl.com, working together for a cleaner and safer environment.